My phone rang. I looked at the screen. I felt scared. It was him, my ex-boyfriend. I stared at his name. My hands were shaking. I didn't answer. I couldn't. 2 years. It had been 2 years since we broke up. The phone stopped ringing. I sat down on my bed. I took a deep breath. We loved each other a lot at that time. We really did. But we fought all the time. We broke up. We got back together. We broke up again. It happened over and over. We were young. We didn't know how to talk to each other. Our relationship was not good. My phone rang again. It was him again. This time I answered. "Hello," I said. My voice was quiet.
Hi,
He said.
it's me.
"I know," I said.
Can we talk?
He asked.
Can we meet somewhere?
I didn't know what to say. I had a boyfriend now. A good boyfriend. He was kind to me. He made me happy. But I still liked him. I still loved him. "Okay," I said. "Where?"
The cafe on Main Street.
He said.
Tomorrow at 3?
"Okay," I said. "I'll be there." I hung up. I didn't tell my boyfriend about the call. I didn't know what to say. The next day, I went to the cafe. I got there early. I sat at a table by the window. I waited. I was nervous. I felt nervous. I kept looking at the door. Then he walked in. He looked different, older, calmer. He saw me. He smiled. He walked over to my table.
Hi.
He said. "Hi," I said. He sat down. We looked at each other. It felt different, but nice.
You look well.
He said. "Thanks," I said. "You too." We talked for a few minutes. Small talk. Easy things. The weather. Our jobs. Normal things. Then he got quiet. He looked down at his coffee.
I wanted to see you.
He said.
I needed to see you.
I felt a strong feeling inside. This was it. He missed me. He wanted me back. "I missed you too," I said. The words came out fast. I couldn't stop them. He looked up at me. His face was sad.
I'm leaving.
He said. "Leaving?" I asked. "Where?"
The country.
He said.
I'm moving to Canada. With my girlfriend.
His words made me feel very sad. Girlfriend. He had a girlfriend. "Oh," I said. I couldn't say anything else.
I wanted to say goodbye.
He said.
To everyone I knew. To everyone who mattered to me.
He kept talking. I heard the words, but I didn't understand.
What we had was special,
He said.
but it was childish. We were too young. We didn't know what we were doing.
Childish. He called it childish.
I'm sorry.
He said.
I wanted to end things the right way. To say goodbye properly.
He didn't love me anymore. He didn't want me back. He just wanted to say goodbye. "When do you leave?" I asked. My voice was quiet and tired.
Next week.
He said. "Okay," I said. "Good luck." He stood up. He touched my shoulder. Then he left. I sat there alone. I stared at my coffee. It was cold now. I thought he came back for me. I thought we could try again, but I was wrong. I went home. My boyfriend was there. He smiled when he saw me. He hugged me. I hugged him back. I didn't tell him about the cafe. I didn't tell him about my ex. I just held on to him, and I tried to forget. Was she right to meet her ex? Do you think he still has feelings for her? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories. Lesson of the day: small talk. Small talk is when you talk to someone about easy, everyday things. You don't talk about serious or personal feelings. Examples from the story: we talked for a few minutes. Small talk. Easy things. The weather, our jobs, normal things. More examples. I made small talk with my friend. We talked about the weather.